If you want to move data from your USB flash drive to Redmi A7 Pro or the other way around, what you need to do is you can use the file manager that we have on our phone. Over here I'm just gonna go to browse, and let's say I want to move a couple of images. In this case I can just simply select these images. So first I transfer files from my phone to the USB flash drive. Once I select everything that I want to transfer, I can use the move option at the bottom of the screen. Since I'm transferring from the phone's storage to the flash drive, I want to choose USB storage in here. And then I need to choose where I want these files to be saved. So let's say I'm gonna just choose this DCIM folder, and I'm gonna tap on this check to confirm that this is where I want them to be saved. And that should be all. Now they should be in here in this DCIM folder. There we go. Now, if I want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone storage, I have to go to the USB device storage instead. And then in here, we're gonna go to DCIM. I mean, DCIM because this is where I have my files, of course. Then I just do exactly the same thing. I'm just gonna select everything, and we're gonna tap on move at the bottom of the screen. I'm gonna choose the internal storage, and then once again, I need to decide where I want these files to be saved. So I just choose any location that I want them to be, and just confirm. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.